Sephardim have a slightly different story, but it's basically la halacha. It's all the same oisius. This oisius that I have over here, I printed this up. I downloaded from a computer. Basically, over here, this is Ashkenaz Shitas Beis Yosef. There's a couple oisius in here that are according to Ari. See the tzadi, the shin is according to Ari. We have to write these oisius. We cannot make up the letters that we want. So tefillin has to be written with the black ink, has to be written like klaf. Now tefillin and mezuzahs has a special halacha. They have to be written kesidrin. They have to be written in sequential order. The first parsha has to be written, second parsha, third parsha, fourth, and the parsha itself has to be written in sequential order. So the first parsha starts with Vaydaber, so we have to write Vov, Yid, Dalet, Beis, Reish. We have to start writing. We have to write the Shem Kedushas Tefillin. And then next is Hashem. We have to write the Shem Kedushas Hashem. Now, before you write Hashem's name, you have to make sure that everything is okay with Vaydaber, because if there's a problem with the word Vaydaber, I could erase the whole word Vaydaber and rewrite it. And because once you write Hashem, we cannot be Moichet Hashem. The Tefillin has to be written Kesidron. This is a special halacha, and the mezuzah also has a special halacha to be written Kesidron. The Sefer Torah does not have a halacha has to be Kesidron. Does not have to be written in sequential order. The final, like if the Sefer for some reason or other, let's say he has klaf that's set up to write Sefer Devarim, he can write Sefer Devarim, and later on they're going to get Sefer Dereishis, whatever the schedule is. The final product it has to be in order, but it doesn't have to be written in order, because learning, there's no seder to learning. Today, I don't know what Gemara you're learning, what Mishnah you're learning. Next week you could learn, let's say you're learning Masechtas Brochas, and next week you want to learn Sanhedrin. Learning which posik and the Chumash you want to learn.
Fun thing, I'm learning both of those.
What?
Fun thing, I'm actually learning both of those right now.
Phew, how do you like that? Whoa.
What I'm actually learning, and then I have Chaversa that I learn with.
So you're learning Brochas?
Halachos as my class, and then I do Sanhedrin with a couple other friends.
The Mishnah, yes, or the Gemara?
Yeah, the Mishnah.
Very nice, very nice. Wow, anyway, but the tefillin and the mezuzah is a special object, just like Maloi Cholar Kvoida, the whole world is filled with Hashem. So we don't always feel Hashem, but how, just like Havdil Elf Avdulas, we're sitting here in this room, and there's cell phone waves going through this room. But we cannot, right now, we have off, but we cannot connect with the cell phone waves. Like, cell phone, hello, it doesn't help. But this is, to be able to connect, we have to have our specially wired object. Just like the cell phone has to be wired in a proper way for it to work. If you ever open up the back of the phone, you see like little tiny wire, little tiny. If you're going to look at a magnifying glass or a microscope, you're going to see a little wire. And if you're going to say, I don't like the way that wire looks over there, I want to move it, it ain't going to be no cell phone anymore. Same thing, the tefillin, this helps us bring the Kedushas Hashem down onto the Jewish male's body. And the mezuzah brings the Kedushas Hashem. This is the wireless connection to bring it into the house. Now women, they have other mitzvahs. Not that one is more superior or one is inferior. They have other obligations. We're attached to Hashem in one way. Women are attached in a higher way, so they don't have to, they're not encumbered by certain objects. They have other mitzvahs that they have to take care of, Shabbos, Challah, other things that they're responsible for. So they don't have to be encumbered by things.